I wish you all a very happy Diwali. Today I have brought another Diwali makeup look for you guys. I've already uploaded one Diwali makeup look for this year. If you have not checked it out, I'll give a link here. Just click on it and check it out later. I'll also mention in the description box. That look was so glittery and so glamorous. Oh my god, it was so amazing. Today's look is neither too smoky nor too glittery. It has just right mix of everything. It has turned out even more beautiful than I expected. I'm so happy to show you guys how I created this look. So yeah, let's get started. Hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, and click the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. I will take Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Primer and pat this on my skin to blur out all the pores and get smooth skin. For foundation, I am using Nykaa Skin Genius Hydrating Foundation in Warm Sand. Dot this foundation on my face and then start blending out with a damp beauty sponge. This is a very lightweight foundation and is good for natural and breathable makeup. Using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, I will cover up all the pigmentation on my face. I'll take this concealer and apply to all the areas which are darker than rest of the face. And before my concealer starts creasing, I'm taking out my K-Beauty loose powder to set. This is a finely milled loose powder that sets the face without making it too dry. Dabbing beauty sponge like this, just make sure all the products come together and they feel like one and not different layers on top of each other. Now let's move to the eyebrows, and I'm using eyebrow cake from Miss Claire. I'll start combing my hair up, finally filling them and brushing my eyebrows at the end. In the beginning, I'll draw hair-like strokes to make it look natural. Next, I'm taking my Hoola bronzer to bronze up my face. This will give warmth and my face will not look flat. Doing a little bit of nose contouring using the same bronzer. Taking the Big Date blush from The Balm, and I will apply this onto my cheeks. Applying less blush on apples of my cheeks and more upwards to give a lifted look to my face. Little bit on chin and tip of my nose to connect everything. Going to eyes now, I'm taking same bronzer and applying it all over my lid. Once there is no color left in this brush, I'm moving this to edges of the shade to blend this out. You can also use a clean blending brush to do the same. If you don't have any bronzer, you can also pick up brown shade from any eyeshadow palette that you already have. Now I'm applying a black kajal on my upper lid. This doesn't have to be precise because we are going to smudge this out. Now I'm taking a brush that I use for smudging and I'll start smudging this kajal. If the kajal becomes less intense during smudging, you can always go back and add more kajal and smudge it again. I'll do the same on lower lash line as well. Apply some kajal and smudge it. I'm also tightlining my upper waterline. Now from Huda Rose Gold Remastered palette, I'm picking up this shade right here. The name of this shade is Blessed. I'm just picking up this color on my finger and putting this on my lid. I'm just blending everything using a clean blending brush. Time to curl the lashes and put some mascara. I'm using Lash Princess mascara from Essence. This is such a beautiful mascara and I'm loving this so much. To curl the lashes properly, just do this 2-3 times. My left eye is very itchy and irritating, so I'll decide later if I want to go with false lashes because I love wearing false lashes. But after I filmed yesterday's video, this eye was just watering and it was so painful. It is fine right now, but I'm just so scared to put falsies again, so I'll decide about it later. Now take my L'Oreal highlighter and I'll just put this on high points of my face. This is not the fan brush that I normally use. This is from Proate PF09. The one that I use usually is from PAC and I can't find it, but yeah, let's use this. I'm using shade Fame from K Beauty lip liners to line my lips today. For lipstick, I'm using Nykaa Paint Stick in the shade 02. This is such a beautiful lip shade. It's my all-time favorite and I love to use this. This looks so juicy and stunning on lips. I'm using matte setting spray from e.l.f. to set everything. I forgot to highlight inner corners of my eyes, so I'll use same highlighter. I decided to go ahead with false lashes because honestly I love wearing them. They just makes the whole look more beautiful. I'll complete this look with a black bindi. Bindi is something I cannot escape for Indian makeup. Loved this makeup look and enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to give thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you have not done already. Share this video with your friends and family and help them look pataka this Diwali. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.